everyone, it is Heather and we are here at the Hampton Inn, Lakeville, Minneapolis, and this is in Lakeville, Minnesota, which is a suburb pretty far south of Minneapolis, right off of Interstate 35. And this appears to be a brand new Hampton Inn property. We've never stayed here before. It's very nice. I will show you around our room and you can see what the room is like. Okay, first when we come in here on the back of the door, it's a standard just straight Hampton Inn and we are here in 308. I checked in on the Hilton Honors app and I used the digital key. I actually selected this room. When I selected the room, it only gave me the options of floor 1, 2, or 3, but this hotel does have 4 floors. So I'm assuming that they're either floor 4 was full or they didn't have my requested room type on the 4th floor. So we're here in 308. We like to be away from the elevator so it's quieter. Okay, got the standard doorway. And when you come in, there's this nice kind of wood flooring here. And here to the right away is the bathroom. And there is one of the, I don't know if this could be a really brand new property. I mean, it looks very new, but it's got the sliding door with the mirror on it that we don't really like this version. It shares with being both the closet door and the bathroom door. So you can't have them both shut at once. It's either, and also there's a pretty big gap there. I mean, you can actually see right into the bathroom, not to mention the light and being able to hear. So if you have it covering the bathroom, it's not covering the closet and vice versa. When the door is in front of the closet, then the bathroom is open. So it can be tricky, like if somebody's trying to get something out of the closet and then somebody's in the bathroom and then they shove it open and like hit them with it or whatever. Okay, but the bathroom is very nice. Here's some hooks over here and they have the hairdryer hanging on the hook. And there is a nice walk-in shower. I really appreciate this. We like showers, especially walk-in showers, so much better than tubs. And it's much easier for me with my injured ankle to get in and out of this. So nice walk-in shower with glass doors. There's even a little shelf foot thing, so if you want to shave your legs or whatever. Okay, and then we have some nice artwork there above the toilet. Little trash can. And then we've seen this sink set up before. It's just a single sink. Nice big mirror with a kind of a pop of orange around the border of the mirror. Plenty of towels. And we've got these two.
Most of them.
Oh yeah, most of them don't have a towel rack.
It's like an unofficial thing.
Yeah, you don't know where to put it.
Or like there.
Or we just have to lay it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there's 2 of these. Normally they would have the hairdryer on one of these. Tissues, and then we have our nice Neutrogena products. Hand soap with a little soap dish. Bath soap. Oh, yay, makeup remover wipes. I like those. Shampoo, conditioner, and body lotion. And then out here, again, the pop of orange, which I really like. It just brightens up the room a little and gives it a little more pizzazz. We have 3 coat hooks, which is perfect for us. And then in the closet, there's extra bedding up on top. There's an iron and an ironing board, laundry bag, and the luggage rack was in here, but we took it out and have it set over here. And then we have 2 queen beds, and again, kind of a neat pop of orange in the headboards there. We've already inspected these beds. And then over here, where Ben is sitting, there's kind of a little shelf, a good place to set some luggage. There's a nice big drawer there and a shelf underneath. Okay, and then over here, there are plugs and USBs on the end of this. This has microwave, coffee maker, and coffee stuff. On this side, there's a mini fridge. And on this side, there are 3 big drawers. So you could probably unpack here if you didn't have too much stuff. Ice bucket and cups, big screen TV over the top. I don't know if it turns or anything. No, this one doesn't move. Okay, and then we have a nice big mirror over the desk. And there's Megan sitting in the desk chair. And there's this neat yellow lamp, which I really like, on the desk.
It's very bright.
Yeah. And then I really like this artwork that's up on the wall here. Again, just kind of bringing a welcome pop of color to the room. There's this nice valance over the window too. And the view is kind of nice. We're like over a pond, which you would see in many places in Minnesota. What makes the difference between a pond and a lake, by the way? I have no idea. There's a Walmart over there, and there's a nice residential neighborhood over there, and then it just looks like woods off to the left. In between the beds, we just have the one very simple, basic nightstand, no drawers or anything, with an alarm clock, which has something wrong with it because the time is, I don't even know what that is. And the phone, and again, 2 plugs, 2 USBs, reading lights for each side of the bed, but only in the middle. There's none on the outer sides. And then I wanted to check. Are there any yeah, there's plugs on this end, the desk too. So 2 plugs there and 2 USBs there. So that is our room at the Hampton Inn, Lakeville, Minnesota. It's very nice. Nice. It's very, very clean. And it is very, very quiet in here.
Very bright.
Yeah, and it's nice and bright. Yep. So there you go. It's Heather again, and I'm adding to this video after our first night here at the Hampton Inn in Lakeville. I just wanted to add a couple things now that we've spent one night in the room. The first thing I want to tell you about is, I don't know about Ben, he's getting ready in the bathroom right now. Neither Megan and I slept very well. I thought the mattress was kind of hard. How about you?
I have no idea I just don't do well in hotels.
Megan just doesn't do well in hotels, unless we're there for an extended time, and especially if she has her own bed, which I'm coming to. I thought the mattress was a little hard, too firm for me, and the pillows were okay, but could have been better. I had a little trouble with the one that I was using for my head. But anyway, I think more than anything though, she and I probably didn't sleep well because we just have so much on our minds, because we're on this trip to visit a college again today, and also we looked at apartments and townhouses yesterday to possibly move into, and we were just discussing that. So just having a lot on your mind can contribute to not sleeping very well. But anyway, it is very, very quiet in this room, and the temperature was fine, don't you think? But this room has all 3 of the problems that I talked about in this video, things that families need in hotel rooms. Number 1 was Megan and I had to share a bed. And when Megan and I have to share a bed, neither one of us is going to sleep very well. We really each need our own bed. And one of the problems for that is just, you know, us moving around. We're not used to sleeping together. We don't sleep together at home. And the second thing is, and Megan knows she does this, is Megan steals the covers. Megan steals...
There's not enough space.
And there's not enough space, yeah. Because if you're not aware of this, a queen bed is not the same as 2 twin beds. A king bed is the same as 2 twin beds. So the only way you're going to get the same space as if you were sleeping in a twin bed by yourself is if you're in a king bed. A queen bed is less space per person than 2 twin beds. I mean, I have a queen bed at home that I sleep in by myself. So that's the amount of room I'm used to. And Megan has a twin bed at home, so she's even used to more space than she's getting in a queen bed when she has to share with me. So space is an issue, and we really need to have 3 beds. And at a very minimum, it'd be nice if we could have a king bed, so then we each have a little bit more space. The only time we've ever seen that where it wasn't just a king bed and a sofa bed, which again, I'm not making anybody sleep in a sofa bed, was that Hilton we stayed at in Washington, D.C., which had 2 king beds, which was terrific. Second thing was we were okay, but it could be better. Was not enough space to put our luggage. I'll show you. Okay, I used the luggage rack, and the kids were able to fit both of their suitcases on this little shelf thing. But that's pretty much it. I mean, we've got some stuff up there. You know, we're using the desk for things. Other than that, there's no place else to set luggage. And the only reason we were able to manage this is because we have our small suitcases. So if you have big suitcases and there's more than 1 or 2 of you, you're going to have, again, a problem with where to put your luggage. It's going to end up going on the floor or something. Okay, and then the third one, which we definitely had a problem with this stay, is there's no seating. The only place to sit in this room is the blue office chair that I am sitting in right now, the desk chair. And yesterday, twice, we were kind of like standing around like we can't figure out where we're supposed to sit. Again, we don't really sit on the beds. I mean, Megan's sitting on the bed right now, but like we just don't, it's not the right height. Beds aren't really made for sitting on, and it's not comfortable. When we were here between our second apartment tour and our third apartment tour, and we had a little time to relax, we couldn't really relax. We were kind of uncomfortable because there wasn't any place for all of us to sit. Only one person had a chair. And so that's kind of a problem. There needs to be more seating in hotels. If you're here by yourself, fine, but why would you be in a room with 2 queen beds by yourself? And then when we came back last night after we were here for the night, Megan and I actually both got ready for bed and got into the bed and sat and did the things we wanted to do, reading and doing stuff on our phones and everything in the bed, because we didn't have any place to sit. So not having a place to sit is a bummer. Otherwise, this is a very nice property. It's a very nice hotel. It's perfectly good for shorter stays. I wouldn't want to be here for very long. We had some food and drinks and stuff last night when we came back. There's no place to eat in this room. You wouldn't want to bring food back into this room, and even like the garbage cans are really tiny. Oh, and one thing, like with like seating and putting your luggage, this Hampton does not have those rolly ottomans things like we've seen in so many of the other ones. So that's different. We did utilize, and we did this too at the Spring Hill Suites that we stayed in Massachusetts last summer. We utilized the public areas, like the breakfast area and the lobby areas downstairs. There are some very nice, you know, there was these cute booths, and there's plenty of tables and couches and stuff down there. And except at breakfast time, usually those spaces are going to be completely empty and there's no people. So that's what I suggest to you. If you're lacking seating, or like, and they have like places to plug in your laptop and internet connection and everything down there at those. And so if you're lacking a place in your room for that, that's another option, is most of these hotels have really nice public areas like down in the lobby and the breakfast area. If you enjoyed this room tour, please give us a thumbs up down below. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you all have a great day and safe travels.